Yeah, now it's starting.
Okay, recording has started. So sorry for doing it this way because if I go on play, then I don't see the chat screen and the questions and all the other stuff. So,
I got an eye on it.
okay, then I can switch to the full mode.
Yes, I got an eye on the chat screen. So during the webinar, just take the chance. And if you've got questions, just type in there and we will answer this as soon as possible during the webinar.
Okay, yeah, cool. Thanks, Timo, for jumping in. Yeah, first of all, the risk disclaimer, you all know this, so we don't want to tell you the absolute holy grail. You are responsible for your own decisions, of course, and this is just for teaching and learning and practicing, and not for you have to do this trade right now and you will win a lot of money and so on. You can make this on other YouTube channels, but not with us.
Yeah, we don't take any liabilities. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Today's topic is the base trade strategy, and the webinar guideline is the environment of the strategy, the setup, the entry, and then a simple example for an entry of this strategy. The base trade strategy, environment of the strategy, it can suit any trader's lifestyle. Yeah. What is mean by that? It can trade it on any time frame. So from a minute chart to hourly chart, daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart, it works on every single time frame and on any single asset. So on commodities, shares, stocks, bonds, and so on. We will focus in this lesson for today only on the hourly chart. And we think the hourly chart is maybe the best thing and the daily chart to apply this strategy. The method can be used as a trend following strategy just as easily as a counter trend strategy. Yeah, so you can use it as a trend following and as a counter trend. So not the trend is your friend. So you can use this also against the trend, counter trend. Okay, what is the base trade strategy and what is the base? First of all, you need to identify a little range. And you can see this here. It is marked here in this little rectangle with 5 candles, or actually 4 candles, a bullish one, a bearish one, a bullish one, and a bearish one. And yeah, these ranges are usually made up of small candle bodies of different colors. Yeah, this is not very important, but of course it is good if the market goes up, down, up, down, up, down again, and then it is a range because the market goes sideways and not in just one direction to the upside or to the downside. And this little range is a kind of consolidation and the foundation of an expected move. So yeah, related to this example here, you see the market goes up and then you see this little consolidation here. And this is only the market takes a deep breath to break out and then the market goes up. Yeah, and this is the thing, we need to identify a base or a consolidation. And we only focus on the bodies of the candles and ignore the wicks. So for this reason, you see the wick here from this bearish candle is ignored. And yeah, only these 4 candles here are in the rectangle, in the base. Then the next slide. And if you have some questions there during the webinar, then of course, please don't hesitate and ask your questions.
It's a very new stuff for me, Matthias.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's very interesting. Yeah.
We are waiting for a closing candle outside the range. This is also very important. And maybe some of you remember the it is the gap strategy. In the gap strategy, we do the exact same. We are waiting for a closing price outside the box, outside the base or the consolidation. And if this happens, then you have, in this example here, a long trade because the breakout was to the upside, and vice versa. If you have a break to the downside, and remember, guys, this is for trend following as for counter trend as well. So if the candle goes to the downside and the closing price is below the box, then of course you have a signal for a short trade. But this is not all about. So you need to have some other things to consider. And I call this here fine tuning. Breakout candles should be big. So this is the first thing. So you see here little body, little body, little body, and so on. And now this big guy comes in. And this is, compared to the other candles, a very big candle. And we need this. We need a big candle, and the closing price should be close to the extreme. In this example here, it is the closing price is exactly the same as the lowest price or the low price of this candle. And this is what we want to see. Enter the trade at the base, so we need a pullback to enter the trade. What is mean by that is, so you can see we have the breakout, but our sell order is here at the base, and the next candle moves back to this level, and this is our entry level. Yeah, we need to pull back at the very next candle. So it doesn't make any sense to wait for 2, 3, 4, or 5 more candles and then it comes back to the base. It needs to be the very next candle that needs to be touch the box again, and then this is our entry. Okay, just a little intro conclusion here. So entry example at its best. So 3 steps to enter a trade. First of all, you need to identify a range. We have this here. This is our range. Then we need a breakout with a big candle. So this here is the breakout. Of course, this candle is not so much different to the others, but this is, I would say, a big candle, and the closing price is close to the highest price. Yeah, this is good. And then the entry point is the very next candle. The very next candle you see touches the box again, and this is our entry level here. We go along here. Yeah, and this is just a little part of the entire strategy, and you can check the entire course and watch out for more in this specific course. Just type in on learntradimo.com courses base trade strategy, and there you will find it. Okay, now I take over to Timur. You
yes.
just can say me if I want to switch the slides.
Yes, yeah. Thanks at first for the presentation and information about the base trade strategy, Matthias. I think you are the guy who is trading also the real trading account at Tradimo with the good performances I see.
Yeah.
So, but let's stick to the point. This is also the reason why I want to show also the black sales. Yeah, comparing to the Black Friday, it started today, and everyone from us has got now the opportunity to take really advantage prices more than, you can see it minus 76% sell off, and now we have got, or our clients has got the opportunity not only to take the chance to get the 12-month, also including a very high professional and very interesting software system called Forex Tester. Yeah. And about Forex Tester at all. Forex Tester is a software that simulates trading in the Forex market, so you can learn how to trade profitably, create tests, and refine your strategy for manual and automatic trading. Test and improve your strategy for consistent and growing profits. Become confident in your strategy so you can keep a clear head, act immediately on trading opportunities, and avoid mistakes when you trade live later. Become an experienced and successful trader in less time. So the point is, with these Forex tests, and you can see some screenshots, you can test your specific systems or strategy with indicators, money management, historical news services, testing strategy on multiple currency pairs and multiple time frames simultaneously. Yeah, you have now the opportunity in the next couple of days regarding the campaign from our side, black sales, to get this package instead of 827 euros for 199 euros. That's incredible.
And the premium membership is also part of it.
Yes, the premium membership, of course. The premium membership, the advantages are on the hand. Yeah, you will get in direct contact with Matthias Denike. You will get in direct contact with Matthias Knopf, with Orlando, who are trading the real trading accounts. You will get the access to our trading online courses, daily market analysis, live shows, exclusive. You can see the benefits below below the screen here. And the only condition you have to do is just open an account at one of our broker partners, for example, markets.com or trade.com, and then you will get the package in a word. And you have to only need to pay 199 euros. That's incredible. So I would say this package is, with these packages, you will get a very high opportunity to, I would say, to make more profits, to better your performances, and yes, more successful at the trading exchange.
And you can save a lot of money because not only about it's cheaper, but if you have the forex tester and you can test your strategies, then you can save a lot of money because you avoid mistakes. And this is a thing I think a lot of people don't understand at the beginning of trading. They just starting and they lose money, but they can save this money with the software like Forex Tester 3.
Yeah. Sharp is asking a question. What about trade strategy? You can also include them and test them on the Forex Tester system. Yeah. And yes, with this package, you're absolutely, I would say, very well equipped for the jungle of trading. Definitely.
Mhm. And as part of the premium service, of course, you can ask us anything at any time in our Slack community. So there's a chat and a Signal community where you can ask us and other premium members everything every time. And of course, part of the premium service is the nano diplomas. So there you will have a lot of free courses, a lot of projects, and a lot of interesting things to do in a practical way to become a successful trader.
Very important is before you open the accounts at markets or trade.com, just send us an email to support@tradimo.com to get the campaign. Yeah, we have to send you the link. Yeah, where you can apply for this campaign and for this package, and that you can be sure to get the forex tester and the Tradimo Premium access. I think it's the last page. Yeah.
No, actually, this is the last one.
Yeah, this is the last page. Yeah. Write an email, support@tradimo.com. Black sales is running from today. And rumors saying, I think it's only valid till 5th of December. And just take the chance and get the package. Write us an email, support@tradimo.com. If you've got further questions, don't hesitate to contact us.
Yeah, perfect.
Good. Have you got, for the group, have you got some questions? Just take the chance, write in the chat screen regarding the bundle, of course, and of course, the presentation of Matthias Dienecke. No one. I think everything is clear, Matthias. Once again, everything is clear. So good. I would appreciate after the webinar if you can also rate our webinar. Yeah, and please send us also suggestions about the topics what you're interested for. And I would appreciate if we can see you once again.
Okay, yeah. Looking forward to next week. Of course, there's the next English version of the free webinar. And as a premium member, you will have some more specific webinars, but these are just for premium members.
Yes. Very good. Thank you, Matthias. I wish you a nice evening.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you. Bye.
You have a nice day. Bye.
You too. Bye.